Right now, there are people using one AI tool to build entire mobile apps, create full SaaS platforms with payment processing, automate their entire social media presence, and generate client deliverables while they sleep. And they are doing all of this without writing a single line of code, without expensive developer teams, and without a technical background. What I am about to show you is going to completely change how you think about building digital products and services in 2025. Hey, my name is Paul James. I create videos showing you how to use AI tools to build leverage in your business and compete with people who have way bigger budgets than you do. And today we are breaking down something that most people do not even realize exists yet: Abacus AI Deep Agent. This is not just another chatbot. This is a complete system that builds products, automates workflows, and handles complex tasks from start to finish. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you go high level. Here is what most people are missing right now. They think AI is just for writing content faster or getting answers to questions. But Abacus AI Deep Agent operates on a completely different level. It builds actual products. We are talking full stack web applications with hosting, databases, authentication systems, and Stripe payment integration. We are talking mobile apps with real backends. We are talking complete SaaS platforms you can launch and sell. Let me give you a real example of what this means. Imagine you land a client who needs a custom CRM system for their sales team. In the old world, you would either turn down the project or outsource it to a developer for thousands of dollars. Now you open Abacus AI Deep Agent, describe what the client needs in plain English, and the system builds the entire application, complete with a database, user authentication, and a functional interface. You deliver a working product without touching code. That is the power of what I call the complete build framework. Most AI tools give you pieces. They help you with one step in a process. But Abacus AI Deep Agent handles the entire build cycle. Phase 1 is comprehension. You describe what you want to build in conversational language. Phase 2 is construction. The system generates the code, sets up the infrastructure, and creates the product. Phase 3 is deployment. Everything gets hosted and goes live with a working URL you can hand to a client. When these three phases work together, you can deliver services that used to require entire development teams. Now let me show you how this actually translates into billable services. Let's say you want to offer local businesses custom web applications. Maybe a restaurant needs an online ordering system. Maybe a gym needs a member management portal. Maybe a consulting firm needs a client intake system. You are not building these from scratch anymore. You describe the requirements to Abacus AI Deep Agent, and it builds the entire application, including hosting and payment processing if needed. Here is another angle. You want to create and sell micro SaaS products, small software tools that solve specific problems. With Abacus AI Deep Agent, you can build a functional SaaS product, integrate Stripe for payments, and launch it as a service businesses need. The system handles the technical complexity. You focus on finding the market need and delivering value. Or maybe you position yourself as a presentation specialist. Companies need detailed presentations with charts, graphs, and well-researched content for investor meetings or client pitches. Abacus AI Deep Agent can generate these complete presentations with professional design and data visualization. This is a service businesses actively pay for on a project or retainer basis. I remember feeling completely stuck when I first started trying to offer technical services. I did not know how to code, I could not afford to hire developers, but I knew clients needed these solutions. Here is where things get wild. Abacus AI Deep Agent does not just build products. It also handles workflow automation through computer use capabilities. This means it can interact with other platforms on your behalf, post to social media, generate and qualify leads, connect to Gmail, Jira, and Slack to create tickets, read emails, and post messages, send LinkedIn connection requests, and follow-up messages. All of this runs autonomously based on schedules or triggers you set. This is how you start delivering multiple service offerings without hiring a team. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Let me walk you through some specific scenarios. Let's say you decide to offer custom chatbot creation services. Local businesses need specialized AI assistance. A fitness studio needs a workout generator bot. A nutritionist needs a meal planning assistant. A financial advisor needs a budget management tool. You build these custom chatbots through Abacus AI Deep Agent tailored to each client's specific use case. This is a service businesses are actively seeking right now, or maybe you focus on mobile app development. Small businesses want branded apps but cannot afford traditional development costs. You use Abacus AI Deep Agent to create fully functional mobile apps with real backends and databases from simple prompts. Gaming apps, service booking apps, loyalty program apps. The system handles the technical implementation. You handle the client relationship and delivery. Here is another opportunity. Deep research services for executives, consultants, or content creators. They need comprehensive market analysis, competitive intelligence, or industry reports. Abacus AI Deep Agent can conduct deep research, pulling from multiple sources and generating detailed reports. This is valuable work that professionals will pay for on a per project or monthly basis. Most people never realize this part. The value is not just in using this tool for yourself. The value is in building it into service offerings you can sell to other businesses over and over again. Think about what your next 30 days look like once you have 2 or 3 of these service offerings running. One client needs a custom web app built, another needs ongoing social media automation, a third needs weekly research reports generated, and you are delivering all of it through Abacus AI Deep Agent while focusing your time on sales, client relationships, and growing the business. Now, here is what makes Abacus AI Deep Agent different from other tools in this space. First, it is part of ChatLLM from Abacus AI, which gives you access to all the top AI models in one place. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, and more. Second, it includes image and video generation with the latest models. And third, the pricing structure is designed for people starting out. The basic subscription is $10 per month and includes 3 free tasks. When you need more capacity, the Pro tier is an additional $10 to $20 monthly and gives you approximately 25 tasks per month. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. This technology is live right now. The people who figure out how to package these capabilities into client services in the next 60 to 90 days are going to have a massive advantage, because most business owners have no idea this is even possible yet. They still think custom apps require massive budgets and long development timelines. I grew up with no money, no software, and no connections, literally living in my brother's garage trying to figure out how to build something from nothing. If I had access to tools like this back then, I could have competed with established agencies right from the start. That is why I get so fired up about this, because this is the leverage that lets you compete with people who have 10 times your budget. So here is what I want you to do. I'll leave a link below for you to go and create an account. Pick one service offering you want to build. Maybe it is custom web applications, maybe it is mobile app development, maybe it is workflow automation. Whatever it is, spend 2 weeks learning how Abacus AI Deep Agent handles that specific type of project. Build one demo you can show to potential clients, then start pitching it as a service. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. Abacus AI Deep Agent keeps getting more powerful as the underlying AI models improve. The capabilities you have access to today will be even stronger 6 months from now. So the service offerings you build now will become more sophisticated over time without you having to rebuild them. That is how you create real leverage. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you go high level. This is the moment that separates people who build real leverage from people who stay stuck trading hours for dollars. The ability to build products and deliver complex services without technical teams is not coming. It is already here. The only question is whether you are going to be one of the first people to figure out how to turn this into income, or whether you are going to watch other people do it and wonder why you waited.